In the finance world, vigilantes wear a different mask, one of influence and power, shaping the economic landscape. These are the bond vigilantes, self-appointed fiscal watchdogs. In the 80s, as the US grappled with soaring inflation and interest rates, bond investors stepped in where authorities fell short. Not out of a sense of duty, but driven by risk assessment, demanding interest rates that matched their perceived risks. Historically, their influence is evident. From 1981 to 2001, US government interest payments relative to GDP were at their highest, marking the era of bond vigilantes. Today, with high fiscal deficits and elevated interest rates, history seems to echo. The question arises, are the bond vigilantes truly back? The answer lies in the soaring US fiscal deficits. With public debt reaching around 120% of GDP, the highest since 1965, the stage may be set for a resurgence. So keep your eyes peeled, for the bond vigilantes may well be mounting their horses again.